There are many different types of golf grips on the market, and they all have their own unique benefits and features. We have put together 5 of the best golf grips in this video. So, let's dive into the video. Number 1, most popular. CHAMPKEY Traction X Golf Grip. If you want a reasonably priced set of grips available in the mid-size option, the CHAMPKEY Traction X Golf Grips are a great choice. These are grips made with a proprietary rubber material that the golf traditionalist will love. In addition, they have a bit of a tapered profile, so more of a classic feel with this grip in your hand. The Traction X pattern ensures plenty of surface area for your hand to properly feel what it needs to do with this grip. Number 2. Karma Velour Pink Ladies Golf Grip. Karma Velour Pink Ladies Golf Grips have a great feel, and they are undersized. The Karma brand is well known and has excellent reviews when it comes to durability. This kit comes with 13 mid-sized grips, each one made of the same durable, tacky rubber compounds. They have a familiar and proven grip pattern that provides both comfort and control. Each grip weighs a modest 60 grams to provide a confident, weather-resistant, non-slip grip applicable to all club types. Users report that they are easy to install and note that the mid-sized option is closer to the standard size offered by other brands. Number 3. Winn Dri-Tac Golf Grip. The Winn golf grips have been a favorite for many years. With the polymer materials that Winn uses, players get a much different feel on their clubs than they may be used to. In addition, the grips help to ensure that you have a better connection with the club and that there is no sliding or slipping at impact. The Winn Dri-Tac takes golf grip technology to another level. This is a great feeling that doesn't wear off quickly and seems to work even better when your hands get sweaty. Number 4. Majek Jumbo Oversize Tour Pro Velvet Golf Grip. Senior golfers tend to struggle when it comes to arthritis. It is an unfortunate thing but comes with the territory of getting older. If you are a senior player and have some pain in your hands, an oversized golf grip is a smart choice. The men's Majek Jumbo Oversize golf grips make it easier for senior that has a hard time bending their fingers around a standard size grip. These grips have a soft feel. The advanced computer design assures a non-slip surface pattern for maximum comfort, playability, and confidence. Number 5. Golf Pride MCC Plus 4 Golf Grip. The Golf Pride MCC Plus 4 grips are the best overall choice for new golf grips in 2022. With these on your clubs, you will have so much more able to work the ball and have a lot more confidence in connection with your iron. The new MCC Plus 4 edition means a larger outside diameter in the lower hand of the grip. This allows golfers to take the right-handed player out of the equation just a bit more. For those that get a bit handsy, especially in the short game, the MCC Plus 4 is a perfect choice to help control the hands.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.